Hi, this is Usman. Welcome to Usman Physics. In this video, you will learn few numerical problems related to the chapter electricity, and the topic is electrical resistance, which are important for various competitive examinations. Let us have a look over the content discussed in this video. Simple derivation of the formula R is equal to rho L by A. Numerical problems based on the formula R is equal to rho L by A. Problems related to the formulas R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into R2 square by R1 square. Numerical problems for practice. Factors affecting the resistance. The resistance of a conductor depends upon length, area of cross section, nature of conductor, and temperature of the conductor. Resistance of conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. So this gives R is proportional to L. Let this be equation 1. Resistance of conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. This is R is proportional to 1 by A. Let this be equation 2. By combining these two equations, we get R is proportional to L by A, which gives R is equal to rho into L by A, which can also be written as R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is a constant called specific resistance or resistivity of conductor. We know the formula R is equal to rho L by A, where R is equal to resistance of the conductor, rho is equal to specific resistance, L is length of the conductor, and A is area of cross section. For two similar or same conditions, these two formulas are used. They are R1 is equal to rho L1 by A1 and R2 is equal to rho L2 by A2. If we combine these two formulas, we get R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1 and R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into R2 square by R1 square. The above two formulae are used to solve many number of numerical problems. Let us discuss numerical problems one by one. The resistance of a wire of length 100 centimeters and of uniform area of cross section 0.020 centimeter square is found to be 2 ohms. Calculate specific resistance of wire. Let us solve this problem. Given length L is equal to 100 centimeters, area of cross section A is equal to 0.020 centimeter square, given resistance R is equal to 2 ohms. Now by using the formula R is equal to rho L by A, by rearranging the formula we get rho is equal to R into A by L, and if we substitute the values of resistance, area of cross section and length of the conductor in this formula, we get rho is equal to 2.0 into 0.02 by 100. Therefore, rho is equal to 4 by 10,000, which gives rho is equal to 0.0004 ohm centimeter. Let us move to another problem. The resistance of a wire of length 80 centimeters and uniform area of cross section 0.025 centimeter square is found to be 1.5 ohms. The specific resistance of the wire in SI units is So let us try to solve this problem. Given length of the wire L is equal to 80 centimeters, so we have to convert it into SI units. So 80 centimeters is equal to 0.8 meters. Area of cross section A is equal to 0.025 centimeter square. We need to convert it in SI units. So area of cross section A is equal to 0.025 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Resistance R is equal to 1.5 ohms. Now we know the formula R is equal to rho L by A. If we rearrange it, we get rho is equal to RA by L. So if we substitute the values, we get 1.5 into 0.025 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 0.8. If you simplify this, we get 15 into 25 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 8, that is equal to 46.9 into 10 power minus 8. Finally, we get 4.69 into 10 power minus 7 ohm meter. So this is the specific resistance of the wire in SI units. Let us see another model problem. What should be the length of the nichrome wire of resistance 4.5 ohms if the length of a similar wire is 60 centimeters and resistance is 2.5 ohms? Now let us try to solve this problem. We know R is equal to rho L by A, and this problem can be solved by the relation R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. Let us see what is given in the problem. R1 is 4.5 ohms and L1 we have to find. R2 is given as 2.5 ohms and L2 is 60 centimeters. Now what about A1 and A2? We are listening the word similar wire. Similar wire means another wire but not same. So area of cross section is same for both the wires. Now you can see the wires here. There are two different wires having same area of cross section but of different lengths. So in this case we have to take area of cross section as A in both the cases. Now let us substitute the given values in the above relation. We get 4.5 by 2.5 is equal to L1 by 60 into A by A, that is A1 is A and A2 is also A. If you simplify, we get 4.5 by 2.5 is equal to L1 by 60. On further simplification, we get L1 is equal to 4.5 by 2.5 into 60. Finally, we get L1 as 108 centimeters. Now, another model problem. The resistance of a wire of length 40 centimeters is 20 ohms. The resistance of the same wire when its length becomes 80 centimeters is. Let us see how to solve this problem. We know that R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is constant called specific resistance. Now let us see what is given in the problem. R1 is given as 20 ohms and L1 as 40 centimeters. R2 we have to find. L2 is given as 80 centimeters. Now what about A1 and A2? As we know that volume V is equal to area of cross section into length, V1 is equal to A1 into L1. If the length has become double the original length, then to keep the volume constant, area of cross section reduces to half of the original one. So you can understand this by the following equation. V2 is equal to A2 into L2, that is equal to A1 by 2 into 2L1. that gives A1 into L1. Finally, that will be equal to the original volume. So here volume will be constant, it is not changed. So if the length has become double, then in order to keep the volume constant, area of cross section reduces to half of the original area of cross section. That's why A1 is taken as A and A2 is taken as A by 2. And we know the relation R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. If we substitute the above values in this relation, we get 20 by R2 is equal to 40 by 80 into A by 2 divided by A. Now, if we simplify, we get 20 by R2 is equal to 40 by 80 into 1 by 2. On further simplification, we get R2 is equal to 80 into 20 into 2 divided by 40. So finally we get R2 as 80 ohms. Now let us move to another problem. The resistance of a wire of radius 2 millimeters is 2 ohms. The resistance of the same wire when radius becomes 1 millimeter is. Now we know that R is equal to rho L by A. Let us see what is given in the problem. R1 is 2 ohms, R2 we have to find. Now small r1, that is radius, is given as 2 millimeters and R2 is given as 1 millimeter. We know the relation R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. This can also be written as R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into R2 square by R1 square. Now we know that volume V is equal to A into L. V1 is equal to pi r square into L1 and V2 is equal to pi r2 square into L2. Here radius has become half of the original radius. That's why R2 is equal to R1 by 2. Now if we substitute R2 value, we get V2 is equal to pi into R1 by 2 whole square into L2. V2 is equal to pi into R1 square by 4 into 4L1. That means if radius has become half, then length has increased 4 times because L2 is equal to 4L1. So pi R1 square into L1, that will be equal to V1. If radius is halved, then length of the wire increases 4 times. So L1 is taken as L and L2 is taken as 4L. Now if we substitute the values in the equation, we get R1 as 2 ohms. So R1 by R2 means 2 by R2 is equal to L1 means L and L2 means 4L and R2 square means 1 square, R1 square means 2 square. So if we simplify, we get R2 is equal to 32 ohms. So in this way we have to solve this model problem. Let us move to the last model problem. The resistance of a wire is 20 ohms. It is so stretched that the length becomes 3 times. Then the new resistance of the wire will be. We know that R is equal to rho L by A. It is given as R1 20 ohms and R2 we have to find. L1 is L meters and L2 it is given as 3L meters. We know the relation R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. We don't know what is A1 and A2. Let us try to find. We know that volume V is equal to A into L and we can write V1 is equal to A1 into L1 and V2 is equal to A2 into L2. If the length of the wire becomes 3 times the original length, then to keep volume constant, area of cross section will become 3 times less. So this can be written as like this. V2 is equal to A1 by 3 into 3L1, that is equal to A1 into L1, that will be equal to V1. So A1 is taken as A and A2 is taken as A3, and by substituting the values we get 20 by R2 is equal to L1 means L and L2 3L. So L by 3L into A2 is taken as A by 3 and A1 is taken as A, and this can be written as 20 by R2 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, and we get R2 as 180 ohms. Here are few model problems for practice purpose. 4 model problems have been given, and the answers for these model problems are also given. After solving these problems, you can check your answers through the link given in the description box of this video. I hope you have understood these model problems. Thank you for watching this video.